My name is Lori Gaines, and I am a high school math teacher at Grigori. It has really streamlined what I focus on. Tests are shorter, not that my tests were very lengthy to begin with, but you start asking yourself questions. Why am I making them do 6, 7 of the exact same type of problem when they could show me what they know in 2, maybe 3? So that's been streamlined. I'm more focused on what I am emphasizing and noticing that I don't need to do quite as much. When the standards are driving everything, you realize what really is important versus what things can be put aside so that you do a better job of what really is important. So it's really not different in what I'm teaching. Like I said, it does help me streamline things a little bit, but and it's the program that we have, what it allows me to do is really focus on, okay, so this lesson, what standards are being addressed in this lesson, and what does it look like from an assignment standpoint? What does it look like from an assessment standpoint? What is it really that I want them to know and be able to do? You have to ask yourself the question, what does it mean to be a 1, 2, a 3, or a 4? A 1 is easy, they didn't show that they knew it. But you and I even had questions on what's a 3 versus a 4. It's more distributed around the middle, which is statistically, I think, how things should be, but on the higher end of the middle. I would say in the C plus B minus range, not the C minus range. However, I don't have any Fs this semester. I have, I think, 2 Ds. And I had, now this is Algebra 2. I would really like to do this with an Algebra 1 class and see what the difference would be, because that's where we have our highest DF rate. And I would be really, really curious how impactful that's going to be in an Algebra 1 class. Here, I think there's a misconception that this is making everybody start over again from scratch, when that is not it at all. Only thing I've done is deleted some things from assignments and assessments that I've had. I haven't had to remake and revamp everything that I've always done. I just look at it through a different lens. I would definitely recommend it because it feels legitimate. I feel that the grades are legitimate. There's no compliance based. Oh, this kid always does their homework, so they just naturally have a higher grade. It takes away bias and it takes away inequity. And I feel like if we have standards-based grading, it takes those very unfair grading practices that some teachers do out of their hands.